Weather Service in Taunton has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Plymouth County and southeast Massachusetts, east central Norfolk County and eastern Massachusetts until 5 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:14 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing quarter-size hail. This storm was located over Holbrook, or over Randolph, and was moving southeast at 20 miles per hour. Some locations impacted include Brockton, Weymouth, Braintree, Randolph, Stoughton, Kenton, Rockland, Abington, Whitman, Hanover, East Bridgewater, Holbrook, Hanson, and Avon. Severe thunderstorms produce damaging winds and large hail. Go indoors and stay away from windows. Drivers should prepare for low visibility and avoid flooded roads. Strong thunderstorm in northeastern Essex County. At